How's it going, guys? Nick from Both Days Fishing here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to repair my plastic kayak using a plastic welder. So I have a Wilderness Systems 2008 Rod 135. It's an older kayak and it's been through a lot. The last time I took it out, I got it out of the water and found a couple gallons of water in the hull. Upon looking at it, there is a small pinhole crack in the keel. I had seen that the keel started to wear down a while ago, so I tried to fix it with some JB Weld and some duct tape, but it just wore through that. So I got a plastic welding kit off of Amazon, I think for like $12. I'm going to put a link to it in the description below, so definitely check that out. And it looks pretty nice. It comes with the welder, a little brush to wipe off the plastic because it's really important to keep it clean. Came with some mesh, which I do think I'm actually going to use to just reinsure that keel to make sure it's strong. And it came with some plastic, but this plastic is not the same type of plastic that the kayak uses, so I actually went to Wilderness Systems customer service and ordered the right type of plastic. For this, I think it's really important to keep the same type of plastic, but in my next video, I'll show you that the type of plastic that the kayaks are using actually is readily available around the house and in a lot of products we use every day. So stay tuned, and I'm going to go repair my kayak. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is clean up what we already have down here. So it's always important when you do anything that you want to apply to really just anything, whether that's painting or in this case we're going to be trying to bond plastic to plastic. You need the surface to be very, very clean and very, very smooth. So we're going to take some sandpaper. Okay, so now we have everything a little bit more cleaned up, and I just plugged in the welder to get ready, and now I'm going to cut part of this mesh that we received in that package. I'm gonna put these gloves on when I do the welder just for some type of safety measure. We're gonna be working with hot plastic, so you probably just don't want exposed skin. Okay, so now we have our mesh wire cut out. It looks like that's gonna work pretty well. Before I put this on, I'm gonna fill this hole up and then get some binding plastic here, just so this will sit down nicely on it, and then I'll basically weld this in. I'm gonna heat up this plastic first, and then heat up the kayak a little bit before I put these two together. See, it's starting to get hot enough. Said before, you really got to use this brush that you come with to make sure this is clean. Make sure you get the best bonding. So I'm going to put the mesh on there, and then I'm going to start welding this through. guys, here's the final product. It's still a little rough, so I'll probably smooth it out with some sandpaper, but it's very solid. With that wire mesh in there, I feel much more confident that it's gonna be a lot more stable and strong. I'll most likely wrap it with some Gorilla Tape just for added strength and durability when dragging. But if you want to see it out on the water, please subscribe and check out my other videos, because I'll be taking it out a lot. And I hope that this will last a long time. I think it will. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This was my first time plastic welding, so if you saw anything that I can improve upon, or maybe some type of technique that I should try, please put that down in the comments. I appreciate you watching. Like I said, if you liked the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to catch more action. Stay tuned for my next video on how to use household items to repair a kayak. So I'll see you then. Have a good one. Bye.